Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get a new Kraken rod. First, you'll need to gather specific resources. We'll cover the two main paths, crafting and direct acquisition. Understanding these steps will save you time and effort. Pay close attention to the required skill levels and item drops. This guide will help you efficiently add this powerful rod to your inventory, making your fishing adventures much more successful. To craft the Kraken rod, your first step is to gather 15 Kraken tentacles. These are typically dropped by larger, more challenging sea monsters in deeper waters. Next, you'll need 5 pieces of enchanted coral, often found in vibrant, hidden reef areas. Once you have all your components, head to a master crafting station. Ensure your crafting skill is at least 75 to successfully assemble the rod. If crafting isn't your preferred method, there are other ways to obtain a Kraken rod. You might find one available for purchase on the Grand Exchange, typically costing around 2,500,000 gold. Another option is to complete the Deep Sea Hunter questline, which offers a small chance to receive the rod as a reward. Additionally, consider trading with fellow players who may have an extra rod they are willing to part with. With your new Kraken rod, you're ready to significantly boost your fishing success, especially for those elusive rare catches. Remember to equip any fishing boosts you have, like the angler's outfit, which provides a 2.5% experience bonus. This combination will make your fishing trips much more rewarding. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Happy fishing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.